Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and first look at the Corsair HX1000 V2. This is a 1000 watt platinum rated power supply from the HX series from Corsair. This is one of their high performance fully modular power supplies. I got really lucky and managed to pick this up on sale for €100, and today we're going to be taking a look at it, doing an unboxing, and then I'm going to be showing you it inside my build. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is looking at the box here. You can see it's quite a big box. It's quite heavy overall too. So I'm sure the information that most of you guys are looking for are what are the actual cables we get inside the box. So the cables we get are a full ATX 24-pin cable. We get two 8-pin 4+4 cables. So that means there's two 4x4 cables. We also get 8 6+2 8-pin cables. So that means we have 8, 6 and 2 8-pin cables, which is really nice to have. We get 8 SATA cables. We also get 8 90-degree SATA cables, so you can do some nice cable management options with this as well. We get 8 Molex cables, or peripheral cables as they call them here. And then we get 1 floppy drive adapter cable, which is really nice to see. I don't think I'll ever be using this, but it's still nice to have rather than something else. Another thing I will mention with this power supply, you do actually get 10 years warranty, which is really good. Considering it's platinum watt, I'm sure it'll last much longer. So this is something I'm really happy to get, especially for the price I picked it up. Getting 10 years on a power supply is really nice. So let's do a further deep dive into actually unboxing this thing. The first thing is this box is just covered in plastic that we're going to be removing. And then we're going to be opening up the box, which reveals, of course, another Corsair box, which we're going to have to cut a small piece of tape on the side, which gives you some product information, which is going to open up and then get into our power supply. So the first thing we do is get some manuals and documentation. Further going into this, we get our power supply cable. We get a big bag full of all the cables we mentioned before. You can see they're all inside here. They're varying lengths, but they're all normal power supply size cables, I believe. So you'll have no problem for most cases. We also get a bag of some zip ties. So we have zip locks here and screws that we're going to be using to mount our power supply or to route cables, which is a nice touch to have these as extras. And then further inside we have this nice foam kind of bridge set up around our power supply. But our power supply is actually inside this nice silk velvet bag, which is a nice touch. And then we get our power supply further inside this. So here's a side profile of our power supply. You can see that the fan is on top. We have all of our empty cables on the side. I believe when it's running under 300 watts, it's actually in full silent mode, so the fan on top won't actually run at all. So it means your system will be a little bit quieter with a nice power supply like this, so it's another advantage. So the case I've actually put this inside is my Meshify C. You can see a side profile of this right now. I'm absolutely in love with this system. I'm in love with this case. I think it's a beautiful case. I'm running a Ryzen 3700X and an AMD 5700 XT. So my power supply is a little bit overkill here, but for the price and the 10-year warranty, I just couldn't resist it. It is going to keep my thing fed, and it's also going to give me upgrade options later on. Who knows, maybe someday I'll go to a Threadripper or some XE Intel part and I'll need this 1000 watt and I'll be very happy. And it's fully modular, so it means you can keep out in the cases and the wires, so it's an even better touch. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving Amazon links in the description down below to this power supply if you're interested in getting them. So they are affiliate links, so if you do buy it with this, you will be giving me a small kickback, which will help out the channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.